Yogesh Suresh from Kevin Naik Arts and Commerce College, Dindori. Today, I'm going to deal about the very best essayist, A.J. Gardiner, and his essay on same place. Thinking about A.J. Gardiner's biography, A.J. Gardiner, born in 1865 and passed away in 1946, he was very famous for the essayist, and his agenda of writing essays are very conventional writing. He thinks about morality and how we should live very happily in the human society. He raised the question on morality in everyday life. He adapted the alpha of the plow as the pen name in his essays. He points out the polite behavior in human life. Overall behavior of A.J. Gardiner is that we should be very humble, we should be very polite while writing, speaking, or doing anything in our life. So, A.J. Gardiner is one of the social worker that wants to change the society and convert this society into moral society. Thinking about the next slide, this essay deals about the very best example. The essay starts with the example with the lift man. Lift man throws one passenger out of the lift. And the reason is that he only demands the word top please. The passenger said top. And again the liftman demands that only add the word please. Okay. But the passenger does not add this word. So he does one thing. He throws out of the lift of that person. No matter, he was offended or punished for that activity, but he demanded the word please. So overall discussion about this example is that there should be the law of good behaviorism. Why there is no rule of good behaviorism, and we should give this rule or add this rule with the permission of the court. It's a very best example given by the essayist. We all are agree with this. The next example of this essay deals about one conductor. Conductor always deals every passenger very politely. He always says, ticket please, ticket please. He goes everyone and says, ticket please. Okay. This person, conductor, is about the polite personality. In this example, he talks about the polite behavior of the bus conductor. And a bus conductor is the, what we say, symbol of good manners of one person that affects others and make them polite and kind in turn. Okay, next slide. That once upon a time, the narrator or the passenger was going by the bus, and one day he forgets his pocket. Now, bus conductor says, ticket please. Now, while thinking and saying the ticket please, this person forgets the pocket. Now, forgetting the pocket, he said that I don't have money. So, the person, that ticket conductor, says, don't worry, I'll give you the money, or I pay the money. So, this is the good example of good behaviorism. Now, conductor by mistake hits the leg of that narrator. Now, narrator's leg is paining. Narrator says, is okay. This is also the example of give and take respect. In this example, we can say that conductor is the symbol of a good behaviorism. Okay. In the next slide, essayist has given the example of two persons. They are handicapped. One is blind and second is handicapped by legs. See, helping hand physically disabled people by the conductor. Okay, conductor always helps them. Whenever he stops with the bus, he goes towards them and help them. We should also help these disabled people. Okay, this is the universal example of polite and helping good hand behavior. Gardiner also talks about the polite bus conductor, who is the symbol of courteousness and mannerism. So, these are very best examples of good behaviorism. We should always help the physically or mentally or blind people. These are disabled people. So, this essay is very best example for our good mannerism. So, thinking about this essay, the main theme of this essay is that we must get the civilities if we want to make life kindly and tolerable for each other. The polite man may lose the material advantage, but he always has the spiritual victory. Does mean that the polite man, it may possible that does not have money, good flat for living, four-wheelers for driving and all, but he has the spiritual victory. Say please and sorry, be always happy. In this essay, we can say that the Gardiner, the essayist Gardiner, is very polite and a polite essayist. Want to request us just only use the word please and sorry and be happy in your life. Thank you for watching me.